So the truth about move-in ready premiums in Oakland County. So we are seeing Metro Detroit buyers pay massive premiums just to avoid remodeling a home, right? So how much extra are turnkey properties commanding? And does it make more financial sense to just buy the dated split level and fix it up, right? So that's really the question today. So move-in ready premium in Metro Detroit, updated turnkey homes in Rochester and Rochester Hills, commanding 8 to 15% above comparable but dated homes in the same neighborhood. So on a $450,000 median purchase price, that's $36,000 to $67,500 in premium for somebody already having done the work, right? So the tariff headwind on DIY appliances are up 54%. That comes from a tariff that's for China that's impacting us. Lumber, 45%, steel, aluminum, 50%, right? So all these things are jacking up through the roof. So what dated actually means in Rochester homes, built 1970 to 1990 in Oakland County, frequently have original kitchens and baths, knob and tube or aluminum, run 50 to 120,000 for a 2,000 square foot home to update it. Renovation math, $450,000 home, equivalent dated home is about 380, so 70K gap. It's kind of going to go ahead and balance itself out when you go ahead and update it, right? So do you want to do the work, or do you want to pay to have it, have the turnkey ready home? Either way, it's the same math in the end.